Are you going through a divorce in the UK? If so, you're probably considering hiring a divorce lawyer. But have you ever wondered how much a divorce lawyer actually costs and whether you're being ripped off? In this video, we'll explore the topic and provide you with some key points on the cost of divorce lawyers in the UK. So let's dive in and find out. Firstly, if you're going through a contested divorce where there are disagreements about various aspects of the divorce, you will need a solicitor to help. They'll navigate the legal process for you. On the other hand, for an uncontested or no-fault divorce where both parties agree to the terms, you might not need a solicitor. In the UK, family law solicitors typically charge up to £400 or even more per hour. The cost can quickly add up, especially if your divorce is complex or involves high-value assets. However, some solicitors offer a fixed fee for certain parts of the divorce process, which can help you to manage the costs more effectively. But what if you need help meeting the cost of a divorce? Don't worry, there are options available to you. We'll discuss those later in the video. Now let's talk about the average cost of a divorce solicitor in the UK. The fees can vary depending on the complexity of your case, the solicitor's experience and reputation, as well as the region you live in. For a straightforward divorce, you might expect to pay anywhere from £500 to £1,500. However, if your divorce is contested or involves high-value assets, business interests, or international issues, the fees can increase significantly. In such cases, lawyers often charge per hour, ranging from £200 to £400 or more for experienced ones. Fixed fees are also available for certain aspects of the divorce. This means you pay your lawyer a set amount for specific parts of the divorce. It's important to discuss fees with potential solicitors up front so that you have a clear understanding of what to expect. Now that you know the general cost range, let's consider the strategic use of a solicitor. You might not need a lawyer for the entire end-to-end process of the divorce. In some cases, you can hire a lawyer strategically to handle specific parts of the divorce. For example, if you suspect your partner has been hiding money, you may need a lawyer's assistance to uncover the truth. Or if you need help evaluating the value of assets and negotiating the settlement, a lawyer's expertise can be invaluable. On the other hand, self-representation may be an option for those who want to do their own divorce without a lawyer. This approach requires a good understanding of the legal procedures and requirements involved. It can save you money on legal costs, but it's important to note that self-representation may not be suitable for every case, especially if your divorce is contested or involves significant assets or child custody disputes. Another cost-effective option to consider is mediation. Mediators help divorcing couples negotiate agreements on various aspects of the divorce, including property division, child custody, and spousal maintenance. Mediation can be cheaper than going to court, with costs ranging from about £100 to £200 an hour. It also offers privacy, faster resolution, and a cooperative approach that can reduce the stress for both parties. To keep your legal costs down in a divorce, there are a few things you can do. Consider trying mediation or arranging a no-fault divorce to avoid costly court battles. Be prepared by organising all the relevant documents and being concise in your communication with solicitors. Some tasks, like gathering financial records, can be done by yourself to save money. Remember, the more you and your spouse can agree on, the less there will be to fight over, saving you both time and money. If you're concerned about the cost of a divorce and need help, there are options available. Legal help may be available in cases of domestic abuse or child safety concerns. Some solicitors offer fixed-fee services for specific parts of the divorce process. Additionally, you might be eligible for a reduction in court fees or find free legal clinics where you can seek basic advice and guidance. Even with the most amicable of divorces, it can still be worthwhile to consult a solicitor for expert advice on how to proceed. These days, there's many online solicitors that work out cheaper and easier than meeting in person. JustAnswer, for example, only costs £5 for a trial, which could be far less than a traditional in-person appointment. One of my colleagues used their service and saved over £270 on an outstanding parking ticket. I've linked that offer in the description, and if you use that, you'll also be supporting Money Nerd, so thank you.